Hey guys, I'm Carl. Here's a question for you. Are you a parent and you have kids bored at home, or maybe a teacher and are looking for something unique to capture the attention of your students? Welcome to Fuse Drumming, the #1 drumming platform for teachers and parents. You can teach your child or classroom fun and easy to learn songs with no expensive outlay of a drum kit without waking up the neighbors. Engage your students in music by using a revolutionary way to learn rhythm in a creative, fun group environment. Few students can go into performing in school assemblies, compete against other classes, and even busk on the street with their friends. Perhaps even make some money by performing. With our very specific coloured notation on our play-along and tutorial videos, we have created a system where, with a little guidance, students can start learning and teaching themselves how to progress. From the basics and advancing through to the more complicated, maybe even be the next YouTube sensation. So the next step is to either buy one of our online packages or join our monthly subscription. You will get your own personal login so you can get access to our training material. I'll see you inside.